If one my Kasoa Amanfrom edge na her hosem NAC or honum no. Nipa baako omu esusu se wahwere ne nkwa after a health facility a friend restoration health birth care center Kasoa Amanfrom a collapse ye Tuesday area and I say endra. Now the cause of the facility's collapse, obia into me enka say na facility na chiao say cement and komo say baby sinin you obia into me nkyere adekrontia edan no etumi ejurgu ya amatisia no nipa baako ahwere ne nkwa no. Now the owner of the facility no ono ena omususu say fofie anto ata we free mo nipa baako force de yade omo pura nkasa sesia no omoje ayaresa na yade omo ekọ Kasoa polyclinic onoma omoje ayaresa. Now as at the time assembly no na officials of the Ghana National Fire Service any Ghana Police Service no omo edu scene honoma omo hwe senia enwoma akosi ho honom. Comment abani akuse engineers who consult them on such work. We even find it difficult to use the services of architects, and if they advise, we don't listen. Jealousy, favoritism, and lack of supervision are the major causes. The last say, lack of supervision are the major causes. Those in authority are sitting in their office. They will never go to the ground to do their work. Polat is so sad. I pray those in charge at the various assemblies put the necessary measures in place. Inti sa ena ekopiemo ewo Kasoa aha ena yede trend no ebese same.